Yeah, I think everyone is back.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Good. Yes.
In our group, we could only complete the interview part. We couldn't complete the persona profile. We were discussing on 2 interviews, so we couldn't go to the persona profile. Education.
Okay. Don't worry. You'll have a little bit more time, but I'll ask you to do one more exercise. Girish, can you open up the empathy map?
Yeah.
And you can use your interviews to fit both the persona profile and your empathy map. They are a little bit similar, but they're also quite different as well. In the persona profile, you are creating a fictitious character based upon the interviews you have had, okay, or the research you have done, or the observations you have made. Empathy map is you are walking in their shoes. You have to think like them. Okay, you are walking in their shoes. You are them. For example, the earlier I gave an example of Shailesh, who is a farmer. Here, you are Shailesh. Okay, you're putting yourself in their shoes, walking yourself in your shoes. For that, you have to first remove your shoes. So if you're a teacher, you have to stop being a teacher and be a farmer. Almost like acting, or if you have acted in plays, you've acted in some drama, natak, or done some role playing or dumb charades. You have stopped being the person that you are and taken on a new character. Here you have to do that. Can you go down? Okay. So recollect, the empathy map is also a leap of imagination, right? Because a couple of things that they say is some things you have to infer, you have to make an assumption, deduction. You have to take a leap of faith. You have to imagine, because you have this, you have to imagine what they feel. Empathy map it tries to capture the feeling part of it, the emotional part of it. How are they going through? How are they feeling? Right? And say you may have caught that saying in your interviews. But what they're thinking, what could they be thinking? What could I be thinking? What I am going through? So you must take a leap of faith is what they say and what they do can contradict. What they say and what they think can contradict. What they say and what they feel, we can contradict. Like for example, if somebody asks you, you really had a bad day, but somebody asks you, how was your day? You usually know it's all okay. So I'm saying something, I'm feeling something else. Got it? So I just took out from the internet one very simple exercise, a very beautiful blog where they talked about a empathy map of a person who is overwhelmed by the choice for buying a TV. Very simple thing. I'm just trying to see something that you will understand. Okay. So this is an example of a person who is buying a TV. Okay. Now, someone who's buying a TV, what the person says, here the person's persona is called Jamie. We have done persona, a fictitious character. Fictitious character called Jamie could be Ramesh, could be Shailesh, as we have said, right? What is he saying? He's saying, I was expecting something different. What do you think? Where should I start? What brand do you like? What size is best? I want something reliable. He's verbalizing this. This is something he's saying. What he actually does is he's checking out websites, making lists, what is good about this TV, what is good about some other TV, what's bad about model A, what's good or bad about model B. So he's doing research and making lists. He compares products. The other thing that he'll ask friends, अरे कोई टीवी अच्छा टीवी क्या है? He'll ask friends. He'll go to a store, observe the store, right? And they'll make probably what is saying small decisions in terms of could be a decision of postponing. For example, here to postpone नहीं अपन दिवाली में खरीदते हैं, okay? Or they will make small decisions in the sense, okay, let me consult my wife. Okay, I'll wait till my wife is back from my hometown. Or they will make small decisions in terms of I will wait offer आने दो, or I start searching into coupon codes. I will do this. This is what I'm doing. Jamie is doing. Okay, what is he thinking? Why is it so hard? What else am I missing? Will I be making too much or bad? Am I wasting too much time? Am I going to make a mistake? This is not a good time. This is how he's thinking. Feeling is being overwhelmed by the choice at there in buying a TV. Also excited because he or she will have a new TV at home. Because there's so many websites, so many stores, so many companies advertising, he no longer knows whom to trust. Okay? Anxious, anxiety, fear, mistake kiya to, abhi 50,000 rupees I'm putting to buy a TV. What if I make a mistake? Right? So, what I'm feeling is different from what I'm saying. And what I'm doing is different from what I am thinking. All these things you have to capture it. And how will you capture it? By putting yourself in your shoes. In the shoes of your customer. If it's a farmer, think like a farmer. Okay? There are other techniques as well. For now, I suggest you do that. Now, you can do both the exercises together, the persona profile and the empathy map. Ideally, you do it one after another. But since people haven't completed it, my suggestion is finish your persona profile first. Get a certain confidence that you know who Jamie is. You know who Shailesh is. Then, आपको उनका रूप धारण करना है. You have to become Jamie, you have to become Shailesh. And now start thinking, okay, I am a farmer. I am having problem with quality of power supply. I've been approached by non-renewable energy manufacturers to install a a renewable source of energy. Could be a solar device, could be a microhydel device, could be a biogas device. Right? Now I'm overwhelmed because I don't know enough. I could be. I'm very anxious. मैंने अभी 3 साल का बोल रहे कि 3 साल में पैसा आ जाएगा. नहीं आया तो उसका पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? Initial पैसा कैसा दूंगा मैं? I know the quality of power provided by my electricity department is not good. Power department is not good. I know the quality issues are there, but at least आता तो है. I know sometimes I get some random bills. Then chasing that is like a problem. But at least he's a known devil. Put yourself in that shoes. But I also see the value of it. What am I feeling? What am I saying to this person who's coming to tell me about renewable energy sources? What am I thinking? What am I actually doing? When they give me a brochure, do I go and check out the brochure? Do I check it online? Do I ask my friends? तो तुम्हें पता है क्या renewable sources कुछ पता है क्या? कभी सुना है क्या इसके बारे में? Because the person may not know, but he trusts that friend. Maybe he does internet research. Maybe he goes to the government official and goes to ask the sarpanch कि तुमको सुना है क्या इसके बारे में? Or goes to ask during all the melas that are there during the harvesting season. Does he go and ask somebody who normally sells in things like tractor parts and may sell some farm equipment? Hey, do you know about renewable energy sources? Or the person may wait for someone, the local person who helps him get subsidy for the drip irrigation work. He may go and ask to that person, do you know, ये अच्छा idea है क्या, करना है क्या? So he will do something. He'll say something, he'll do something, he will think something, he'll feel something. Empathy map is, and it differs in the persona, it mostly we're trying to capture feeling. And this you will not get through interviews. This you will have got through your instinct when you took the interviews. How did that person sound? Did he sound excited? Did he sound fatigued by not trying to find an answer? Is he anxious, frustrated, sad? When you tell him about, you're not told that about solutions, but when you do the solution, when you do interview for prototyping, when you're interviewing the person, you will see that perhaps he's excited about it, excited about new options. So this is a space of you taking a leap of faith, understanding, especially if you're in a campus and you're looking at students. You have seen students all the time. Now you really have to become a student, think like a student. And what is the student feeling from inside? You as a teacher may want the person to do particular things. But now when you're taking the character of a student, what's your fear? What's your challenge? What is your biggest pain? What's your biggest opportunity? What am I excited about? You know? So this is again has been shared on the mural. My suggestion is you finish your interviews, go to your persona profile, and then do your empathy map in that order. If you finished your persona profile, go to your empathy. Remember, the profile is still the same. If you have taken one interview, you have taken 3 interviews. One interview with farmer 1 called Ramesh, another interview with farmer 2 called Shailesh, another interview with farmer 3 called Ranibai. Now when you're creating a profile, all of them, all of them are farmers. So when you create a profile for them, you can make one profile. Okay. And that person could be a fictitious character called Gowda. Okay, can be Gowda. Now, but however, if you've taken 3 interviews and 3 of them are different. First, you spoke to the farmer. Second, you spoke to the consumer, or Patil sir had spoken to the canteen, the restaurant owner, a canteen owner. And the third person that they have spoken to is, let's say, agricultural government employee, okay, a farm extension employee. Now, all of them cannot be converted into one profile. All of them, because the behavior is different, they are different kind of people. All 3 of them will create 3 different persona profiles. The persona profile is a fictitious character. It is not real. Based upon your interview, you are creating a profile, a persona profile. From the persona profile, in your empathy map, what you are doing is you are taking that रूप, तुम रूप धारण कर रहे हो, जो भी वो प्रोफाइल का है, and वहां से सोच रहे हो. Persona profile is you are making a persona profile. There's an objective difference between you and the other person. And now you're saying empathy map is I am that person. And now I'm thinking and collating everything that I've heard from interviews. I know from the past experience of having interacted with so many farmers, I am now behaving like one farmer. And you're mostly looking into the feeling part of it. Is this clear? Interview, persona profiling, empathy map. Is this clear? These 3 things, murals you have to fill. All of it will, in the next session, when we reconvene at 2:30, will help us define our problem and go to creating solutions. You've been waiting to create solutions. You all have ideas, but now we will create a very sharp problem statement. From our understanding of the problem mural that we have done, problem board, from our understanding of customers, of our users, now we are going to create a problem statement. From that problem statement, we are going to discuss solutions. Does anybody have any questions? Namit, you want to say something?
No, I think you've explained it pretty well. It's
okay.
Pretty clear.
you will struggle. Don't worry, we will come in the rooms and help you. Okay, this is generally a difficult part. Okay, so if you are getting stuck, don't worry, it is normal. Plus, design thinking is going to tap into your creative energy, and no creative energy is possible without struggling. So if you're struggling, you're on the right path.
And that's what it's going to be a little messy, but that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. If you're confused, messy, unsure, unclear, remember you're on the right track. Because you're also unlearning to be who you are and relearning. You guys are doing very well, by the way. Okay, just letting you know. My suggestion, we again break off. Give 2 hours.
2 hours.
Breakout rooms.
Sure.
I will go into each breakout room. Namit is also there to help, but I'll also go into breakout rooms and see how I can support. Okay, 2 hours. मतलब क्या है? 1:30 मेरे 2:30, and we want to give them a little bit of break. Actually, एक काम करना 1:30, 2:30. I said 2 hours, no? Yeah, 2 hours is fine. Then we'll actually break it off in between. I want to reconvene at 2:40.
2:40. Fine.
Yeah, but we'll create breakout rooms for 2 hours.
2 hours. Fine.
So that we don't have to have problem with that.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
Do they have access to the murals for the empathy map?
Yeah. Akanksha will just go around in the groups and share the links.
And you have to ensure that every room has a member who has access to a room.
Yeah, I'll do that.
A mural room.
Yeah.
Okay. So just for letting you guys know all that murals, as visitors, you can only have links to a particular mural, but as members, you have access to the entire room. And now your room would be populated with lot of murals because we have asked you to fill up several murals. One of you will have access in your room to all the murals in your room. And you can then do a screen share because some of the times you have to refer back to old murals to keep working going forward. Okay. I suggest you break out, and I'll explain if there are any issues that people have in the breakout rooms separately.
Also, this is the template for the empathy map. You guys can start discussing. Akanksha will just come over and share the links and also get one of the members onto the room. So says, thinks, feels, does. So you can start thinking of in a few minutes, volunteers will be there to give you the links. So I'm opening the breakout rooms now. Yeah. Akanksha, you're here, right?
No, you pushed her out in the breakout room.
No, she. I didn't assign anyone. She chose
okay.
to
She's
go
here. She's here.
You're here,
Akanksha,
Akanksha, right?
Yeah, I'm here on my phone. Laptop, I'm in a breakout room.
ठीक है.
Okay. Just ensure, Akanksha, in whatever breakout room you are able to give everybody has access to all the murals. So somebody should be a member.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll coordinate that. I'll coordinate that with you. Just 1 second. So group 5, room. Yeah. I'll start with room 5, agriculture. I'm giving access to Sushma ji, Sushma Prashant, right?
Okay.
So I will. Even you can do it, but anyway, I'll do it right now. I'm going to share the room with.
I'm doing it.
You're doing it, ठीक है. So room 5 is Sushma ji.
Room 4 में कोई नहीं है.
Room 4 में कोई नहीं है अभी छोड़ो. Rural youth. हाँ, room 4 में कोई नहीं है अभी. Room 3 rural youth. I would suggest. I think Anita ji is already a guest.
Yeah.
Let me just check 1 second.
जिसको भी तूने गेस्ट बनाया उसको तो मेंबर बनाना पड़ेगा. That will be easier for you.
Yeah, Anita by I'm going to make. वही मैं कर रहा हूँ actually.
Okay.
Anita by Anita ji will be in rural youth. Akanksha, you clear, right? Any doubt?
You've shared the room, right? Or
No, you want me to share the room?
Anita?
So room 5 you've done, Sushma Prashant.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anita.
Room 4 and room 4 sort of room 3 Anita Bai. She's already a guest.
Yeah.
Okay. Room 2 देखते हैं कौन है room 2 में.
Anita Bobru.
Room 2 में Dr. Tripti is Dr. Tripti.
Yeah, I've shared it with Dr. Tripti.
You shared it with Dr. Tripti. And room 1 is, I think Shiva sir is.
Shared it with Pavan Chaudhary.
I think some groups are having a query ki lunch break ka koi like fixed time 1:30 can we say is also the lunch break.
Actually, for them, there's no break. They can decide to take break anytime depending upon them.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So just send them an email, message, say that we will reconvene at 2:30.
We will reconvene at. No, please continue and finish your empathy persona and empathy maps.
Yeah.
Persona and empathy maps. And we will reconvene in the main session at 2:40 p.m. हाँ डाल दिया. अभी room 1 का देखना है waste management. Akanksha, you waste management you figured out someone?
Pavan Chaudhary.
He's already a guest, no?
Yeah.
Super. You've also picked up Mural, huh? You've become a expert on Mural.
Can you send a message to the breakout room saying that these following peoples have been given member rights? Actually, मुझको समझेगा नहीं. What does that mean?
Akanksha, like I think it would be better if she can just jump.
Yeah, Akanksha. Yeah, please do that. Okay. Where's Swastika? Can you call Swastika back? I don't think she's there. Oh, room में कोई आ गया. तिवारी नहीं है. Can you ask how to come back here?
What? Ask Akanksha to come back here. You're saying?
Swastika.
I'm going
Because,
to.
yeah, you just go. Don't worry. You just go. Keep explaining what a room is. Who has access to the room? What happens when you have room access? Okay. So they know what it is.
Who was it from the agriculture group?
Sushma.
Agriculture is Sushma.
The people who are missing out because the rural energy, the energy thing is not active. I think the energy.
I think Ravindra ji is working independently, so it's okay. I think let him work independently on the mural.
Okay. Can you ping Sushma, Swastika to check who is there?
Energy में. No, we can't. Okay. I don't think she will get a message. They can't send someone a message to someone in breakout room.
तो phone कर.
Only broadcast.
Also,
So you
WhatsApp
want
पे.
me to check the energy group, no?
Yeah.
हाँ.
SARS, yes.
Energy room is empty. Why is it saying 36 minutes?
Yeah, maybe 40 minutes to start with.
गिरीश तू कुछ गलती कर रहा है
ठीक है वो बीच में
ब्रेकआउट रूम में.
नहीं वो देखते हैं वो like let it end and then I'll open it again. That's not a problem.
Hey, but it's confusing for them, no?
Pavan Chaudhary in room 2 asked for help.
Okay. I'll go. Room 2 is education, no?
Room 2 is education. You're on mute. आप mute पे हो.
गिरीश उनको इसका न्यूरल लिंक का प्रॉब्लम है.
Oh, okay. I'll just ask Akanksha. Akanksha, can you go to room 2? Room 2, I think Dr. Tripti has got the. Oh, you've already assigned it to Professor Pavan.
Akanksha?
ठीक है, I'll go then. I'll just go and sort it out. मैं जाता हूँ.
हाँ तुम जाओ.
Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
we are not
Yeah.
getting access to persona profile mural.
Yeah. I think Professor Pavan, you have been given access to the entire room, right?
Actually, there is some problem. I am unable to access any of the mural.
Can
So
you
if can
just share? Can you just share your screen once?
No, actually, Garima ma'am is sharing all the murals right now because
you-
I am having some technical problem here.
Okay. Can Garima ma'am, whoever has a proper laptop and who's not
Garima
having-
ma'am was sharing.
Garima ji, if you can just share your screen once.
Sir, I'm sorry. I won't be able to use mine because there is a power failure at the moment.
Okay.
So lack of internet access.
So
I'm doing
anyone,
it from my mobile.
you're doing it from your mobile. How do we sort this now? Like the link is from mobile anyway, you won't be able to access the murals. From laptop, you'll be able to.
Yeah, maybe after some time, but cannot say how much time will it take.
Yeah, that's fine. It shouldn't stop the activity that you guys are doing. So I just wanted to check on the activity front. Professor Pavan, you will be able to. You're also on a laptop, mobile right now.
I am on desktop, but I don't know what is the problem. I am unable to access any of the mural.
Yeah, that's what you're on desktop. Then if you can just share your screen, then it'll be easier. I can just guide you step by step. If it's okay, otherwise then. Yeah, Akanksha shared the link once more. Can you check it?
This is links to the empathy maps.
Yeah.
See, I am getting this error for every mural. This kind.
Yeah. No, but now you have been made a. This is because you've been made a room member also now. So
No, but earlier also since morning.
No. Just open a new tab. Just open a new tab. No, if you can just share it once, Professor Pawan, we'll go through it. Yeah, if you can open a new tab, that plus symbol is there on top, right?
Yes, I have opened new tab.
Yeah, perfect. If you can just type in mural. Professor Pawan only has got the room access, right? Akanksha, here?
Yeah, actually, I sent him room access to waste, but now I've added him to education.
Take care.
Sam also has education.
Just click on that. Just enter mural, sir. Yeah, now click on mural.co. Yeah, now click on sign in. Can you click on sign in again?
Nothing happens. See.
This is you're on Chrome only, right?
Yes. It is showing in internet connection problem, but I am able to access Zoom meeting. Then there is no issue of internet connection.
Yeah. Check it again. Just refresh once. You're on Chrome. Which version?
I don't know.
Can you try another browser? Because if it's the latest, like I don't know if it's an old.
It is
Chrome.
latest because I'm using it from office. All the PCs are updated one.
Try another browser. You have any other browser?
Not installed any other browser.
Sure.
Yes.
No other browser?
No, I don't use any other browser except Chrome.
Okay. I'll tell you the documentation of Mural. Mural browser compatibility.
Should I try?
If you can try, Ashwini ji.
Shall I stop share?
Yeah.
So I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Just now I've clicked on signing and this page is opening.
Perfect. Now, so you've been, Ashwini ji has been given access, right? Akanksha?
Actually, I haven't given access. I've given access to the room to
Okay.
but he seems to be able to access.
Can you click on education? Room to education.
Room 2. Okay.
Yeah. You had actually there'll be other murals also in room.
Yeah, because she has access to these two murals.
Okay, just 1 second. I will share the entire room with you. This is Ashwini Dikshit, right? kkvag.edu.
Right. Yes.
So create link, copy link. I sent the invite.
Okay.
You can also use this link if.
Okay, so should I
join the room.
On
join the room. Yeah, now click on room to education. Yeah. I think so. You have all your murals here, so you can just open and fill it out.
Okay.
Right? You'll be able to see all your murals, persona profile.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Professor Pavan, that's fine. I think yours, like we'll have to figure out it. Probably some browser challenge.
But even if one person has access, we can share the
Yes, we can do that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll leave the room then.
With some other.
There was a query here from this group.
Yes, Sampath sir, actually we are from group number 2, room
Sure.
number 2,
Sure.
and we want to know how can we have the second persona form?
You want to have 2 persona forms, huh?
Yes. We actually want 3, but as of now we have filled 1, so we are looking for the another form.
Okay. You want 1 more persona form in
Yes.
In that.
Yes.
Right. I'll just create 1 more form. Meanwhile, you populate the empathy map also.
Okay.
Mhm.
Sir, we have filled some entries here in persona. So
Sure.
Is it right?
Yeah, I think we'll discuss that in the main session.
Okay.
In case there are people who have made some errors, we can always correct it out. But it looks good so far. Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
An hour.
I just received a request for help on this group.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Sir, actually you have given access to Ashwani ma'am, but I think she is not available right now.
Okay.
Murals now, so I think if we can give access to Tripti ma'am for that.
Sure. I'll just do that.
We can, yes, access the earlier one.
I'll just do that. This is education, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank
Trip 3 Birthwal, right? That
Yes.
email.
You can please give to Pavan sir. He's very good in quickly typing and putting things. Na?
But it is not working on his, na?
अच्छा तो दोनों को दे दीजिए. Let us try.
मेरे इस पे ओपन ही नहीं हो रहा है. Otherwise, from starting itself, I would have done it.
Tripti ji, you are already part of this room, so you already have access.
I mean, we don't have the links now, no? We have.
No, you don't need the links now. Just share your screen. I'll tell you how to do it.
Achha. So what should I share? I mean,
just share your screen right now. I'll tell you what to do.
Okay.
Now just enter mural. On the you already there on mural. If you're already there, it's fine.
Yeah, I'm not.
Or maybe just start a fresh instance. You can just click on mural. Like just say mural. Just click on the mural.co first one. Yeah. Just say sign in. It'll come. Sign in. And now you see room 2 education there. You click on the left. You see rooms right on the left. Room 2 education. Room 2 education.
Left.
Just below.
Below that. No, above that. Yeah. Now you can see all your murals here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Okay.